Okay, howdy y'all, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Styles Apartments. Hey, we're here at the Peridot, but we're now gonna go downstairs because this is where the gym is. So that's the resident lounge that's there. We just filmed that, but now we're gonna go see the gym. It's just right over here. So let's take a look at this gym. So there is the mail room, by the way, so you can grab your mail, packages, and things that are over there. But now, hey, let's check out this gym. The gym's here. Should be really fun to get in this. So, okay, here we go. We walk in. This is the gym. Really cool gym. Great looking gym here. It's really pretty. It's got a lot of equipment here. Okay, so let's describe it a little bit. There's a Smith machine over here. There's actually more than that. It's a full kind of heavy set, good, cool workout. There's a lot of weights over here, so you can put these on the bars. So this is a really good free weight. You've got some really heavy kettlebells that are over there. Those are really, really nice. And then you've got an amazing amount of equipment that's over here. This is really, really cool. Wow, there's arm presses, leg presses, leg curls. There's a lot here. And then there's some ellipticals and treadmills. So the treadmills are over here. Those look amazing. Love those treadmills. And then there's some ellipticals here too. It's a pretty cool gym. It's got a great space here. There's a lot here with this gym. Hey, I love what I'm seeing here. There's a lot of equipment here. It's got a great vibe. It's modern. It's fun. It's got some warm wood here too. So if you have any questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text, and if you want to set up a tour, I can take care of that, often same day as well. Look forward to hearing from you, and now let's go see some more amenities and let's see some apartments.